So we'll get these things started up. I did bring my Husqvarna, of course. Make sure my brake's on. All right, cold start. You turn it on, you pull the choke, and you see what happens. All right, you put the choke back in after it fires. That's okay, it's a brand new saw. So the 460, you guys have seen this running. This one has the primer bulb right here. So you push it 5 times. That preloads the carburetor. You pull your choke out here, which will turn the saw on. And we'll see what it takes. Oh, and this has got a compression brake release. So here, this makes it easier to start.